Lordship.
May it please your Lordship, my Lord.
Yes.
I'm on virtual today.
Yes, yes.
I have taken the. I have already informed my learned friend Mr. Joheb yesterday through my junior. There are 3 cases: item number 4, item number 8, and item number 13, my Lord.
4, 8, and 13.
Yes. Well, item number 8, they have filed an affidavit yesterday. So we want to respond to it, my Lord. So we want at least 3 weeks time to give a reply. And so far as item number 13 is concerned, they have filed an application for implement, ED. There also we have to file an affidavit.
13.
And item number 13. 8, item number 4, 8 and 13.
Item 8, you wish to file a reply.
Yes.
So 3 weeks. And then
Yes.
item 13?
Also, they have filed an application for IA. ED has filed an application. Implement, we will also file a reply to it. Objection.
Objection. Okay.
Item number 13.
So for this, how much time?
My Lord, 3 weeks time.
3 weeks.
So all these matter, item number 4, 8 and 13 may come together if it is not inconvenient to my learned friends, my Lord.
Yes, who's appearing for
My,
that?
my only request is item 8 and 13, my lord, the IA was filed long back. So if my lord could give them a shorter time, 2 weeks maybe.
They are asking for 3 weeks.
3 weeks,
Maybe,
I think.
maybe 2 weeks is if it's convenient, my lord.
Only pray that this is a very voluminous.
In item 8, he's enjoying a stay, my lord.
But it's
And he's
okay,
enjoying
fine.
a stay on a...
But you have filed it yesterday only, 1219 pages. I need 3 weeks time to give a reply.
It was sent long back. I don't know why it is.
But you have been waiting also. You did not file any application for affidavit also. You filed yesterday only. We received yesterday only.
No, it is filed much long back, I think.
No, we have received yesterday.
He's saying he's received it yesterday.
Yesterday only.
Be that as it may, I think 2 weeks if your lordship considers it's reasonable.
By 3 weeks,
2
how
weeks.
it makes a difference?
So
1
2
week.
weeks, 3 weeks doesn't make much
Yeah.
difference. We'll say 3 weeks and make an endeavor to dispose of on the next date. We'll give an observation.
In
don't know
item
why-
4, I'm led by the learned age.
4, my learned friend has not mentioned why he
No,
wants
4
to
I
add in
mentioned, my Lord. 4 also can be taken up all together, my Lord. 4, 8 and 13, my Lord.
4, there is no filing of
There is
any
no stay.
documents.
There is no stay. So 4, 8 and 13 can be taken up all together.
Heard learned counsel. You are petitioner in all the 3 cases, isn't
All
it?
3 cases, my Lord. Yes.
Senior counsel for the petitioner, Mr. D. Das, in item 4, 8, and 13. Okay. Who prays for listing the matter after 3 weeks? Stop. In item 8, you say, but we have to pass separate orders. In item 8, you say, the learned counsel for the learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received a copy of the objection,
Affidavit in opposition.
affidavit in opposition only yesterday,
Yes.
and therefore he requires some time to file a rejoinder. Accordingly, prays for 3 weeks' time. Prayer is allowed. And then in 13, second line, you say, in this petition, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that an IA, the IA has been filed, praying for impletement of the ED in the present case, and therefore he needs to file an objection to the, and for this he requires another 3 weeks time. So, prayer is allowed. And in all 3, you say learned
In
counsel.
item number 4, my ladyship, item number 4, there is a supplementary prosecution complaint. I may be allowed to place it on record. My colleague there will place it on record. So if my learned friend wants to file any objections or anything else, he may do it by the next date. We'll give him a copy. Even otherwise, I'm told that he has been given a copy by the trial court.
Trial court. I don't know. I
Maybe
don't know.
just
Because
want
I
to
am not in the trial court. Maybe he has given. I will.
We'll give you a copy if you don't
Yes,
have it.
yes.
But anyway, I'm asking my counterpart in Gauhati to place it on record. So don't ask for time on the next date, please. Thank you.
There is no question of asking. You file it on time. There is no problem.
And in item 4, you say, is submitted by the learned ASG. ASG, that, what did you file? What have you filed?
We will file a
I want to file
supplementary prosecution.
supplementary prosecution. prosecution complaint.
prosecution complaint and submits that a copy of the same will be served on the learned counsel for the petitioner before the next date. Before the next date. So all three will be listed after 3 weeks, okay? And then in all three, you say that the learned counsel, Mr. Such and such, appears for the respondent, and Mr. Zoheb, what is that? Your name?
Zoeb Hussain, and in 4, my lord, I'm led by the learned ASG, Mr. S.V. Raju. In 4.
Yeah, just record their names.
Can a
Yes.
date be fixed on, if it is not inconvenient to all my learned friend, on 10th, Tuesday is a hearing day, the 10th, hearing day, 10th.
10th of March.
Yes, it's okay, Raju?
Yes,
You are-
10th of March, Lord. Yes.
Okay,
10th
Raju?
of March. All three on 10th of March. Yes.
I am deeply obliged, madam. Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Like.
May it please, my lord. I beg to mention items 15 and 16.
15 and 16. Yes.
My IA is under preparation, so let the matter be listed next.
What is under
Meantime-
preparation?
IA for implement of the new one, the village council.
IA.
Yes, ma'am. Let the matter be listed next. Meantime, I will be filing my IA.
Okay, third learned additional AG, Mr. L.T. Samtam, who prays for some time in order to enable him to file an IA
Yes, ma'am.
in this matter for impletement of
Of Marangkong Village Council. As per the order dated 25th November 2025.
okay. 2011,
2025.
2025 to implement the village council as directed by this court by the order dated 2011-2025. So, learned counsel, Mr. Mohan Jamir is present for the petitioner and has no objections. List after
After
2
after
weeks.
1 week.
1 week, after 1 week.
Meantime,
List
I'll be
after
filing
1 week. Okay, yes,
If my presence could be mentioned.
okay. Learned counsel, such and such,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Apila Sanctum.
appears on behalf of the leading counsel, Ms. Apila Sanctum, for respondent number 10.
Yeah.
For respondent number 10, yes. After 1 week.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 from supplementary post list. Item number 25. I'm yet to receive instruction. So 3 weeks' time will be granted in this case.
Actually, these are the cases identified for mediation, isn't it?
Lordship, seeing the nature of the case, I think this type of
Not
case.
possible.
I don't think, because they are taking the issue of the land bata.
Oh, okay. Learned counsel, learned additional AG, Mr. M.T.M. Song, submits that this matter cannot be settled in mediation, and therefore prays that it may be listed after 3 weeks,
3 weeks.
in order to enable the state respondents to file the affidavit in opposition. So, learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Mendocino, is present. List after 3 weeks. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 14 on behalf of Vizimome. My Lord, kindly list the matter after 1 week, my Lord. I'm
After
informed
1
that, yes, I'm informed that he has taken consent from the opposite party.
Yes, petitioner, learned government advocate, Mr. Thibapom, prays for a week's time on behalf of Mr. V.G. Momi, learned government advocate. Stop. The petitioner is represented by Mr. Such and such, who has no objections. So, list after 1 week.
Much obliged.
Well, I'm sorry to trouble, my lord. There is, in item number 8, there is an interim order.
Oh, yes, 13, right?
Yes, 8, item number 8.
Item 8. In
There is an
item
interim order which may continue.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next day.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
My lord, I beg to mention item 28. I have received instructions, so may I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted to file my affidavit.
That means no ingredient for settlement.
Not yet.
My lady, I'm also yet to receive instructions from our clients. So if this can be listed after 2 weeks,
I'm praying for 3 weeks.
They are praying for 3 weeks then.
28, item 28. Item 28, my lord.
No,
Okay, my lord.
can we say that the parties are not ready for mediation?
Not yet.
My lady, I'm yet to get instructions. So
Okay.
I'm praying for time.
Just say list the matter after 2 weeks in order to enable the parties to receive instructions as to whether the matter can be settled through mediation. Okay, yes.
My lady, in the meantime, if interim order
The
can be
interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 30. My lord, here the council is in bereavement, my lord.
30.
Yes, my lord. So let the matter be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
Petitioner, yes.
Mosum long comment.
Lordship, this case pertains to appointment and landowners.
Land ownership.
So I think this is not a fit case to be referred to mediation.
No, if they admit that you are a landowner and if they are ready to accommodate, then
So I'm challenging the approval issue.
okay,
can
okay.
refer a private
There is a
respondent.
private respondent.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Learned counsel for the parties. Stop. It is stated that this matter cannot be settled through mediation, and therefore prays that the matter may be listed
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks for hearing in usual course. Yes.
There's an interim order, Lordship.
Much obliged.
That may be extended.
Interim.
Yes.
Okay. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Lodge.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17 on behalf of my senior, Takakichu. Kindly list this matter.
Item
Item number 17,
on behalf of Takakichu.
senior
Yes.
Takakichu.
Yes.
Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks as my senior is out of station.
May I please,
Learned
Lordship?
counsel such and such. Yes.
Lordship, for the private respondent number 6, if a fixed date may be given.
Wait. So who prays for listing the matter after 2 weeks as the leading counsel, Mr. Takakichu, is out of station. So, learned counsel for the private respondent, Mr. Chin Kom, prays for listing the matter on when? 2 weeks will be last week of Feb or first week March, second March,
Lordship.
on 2nd March 2026. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lady, I beg to mention item number 1. In item number 1, charges have been filed. So, Lord,
Okay.
my lord, my lady, if the charges
You
may be
need
called
to
for.
bring
And
that on record.
yes, and if maybe granted some time to, if need be, I may be granted some time to file the additional affidavit, placing the record the charge sheet.
Earlier occasion was the trial court records called for,
No, lordship. No,
not called.
no, lordship.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Foseko Forte, submits that during the pendency of the present petition, the charge sheet has been filed, and therefore he prays that the trial court records may be called for.
Lordship.
Stop. Learned PP, Mr. Tipa
My
Pong is
lord, I'm
present.
appearing on behalf of wisdom of me.
Okay, it's okay, anybody is present, so also Mr.
appearing on
Such and
behalf of
such.
respondent number 2.
For the respondent number 2. The registry is directed to call for the trial court records from which court? Dimapur, CJM,
CGM Dimapur.
from the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Make sure whether it's CGM or Judicial Magistrate first class. From the court of yes,
JMFC.
from the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate first class, Dimapur, and
Dimapur.
list the matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks. My lord, my lady, this is an interim. Can I let the interim continue?
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
I'll apply.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Your Lordship. I'm making a mention on behalf of Gauhati, Your Lordship, if this matter could be adjourned for 3 weeks as we are yet to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yet to file.
Yes, Your
Yet
Lordship,
to
we are
file.
yet to file.
Yes, any objection?
No,
3
Your
weeks.
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Miss such and such present. Mr. C. Pom mentioning on behalf of the learned CGC, Mr. Yang Gauhati, prays for 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit on behalf of the respondents. So, prayer is allowed, list after 3 weeks.
Obliged. May I please? I may be allowed to mention from supplementary list item number 21. I'm preparing for respondent number 4 and 5. This matter may be listed in accordance to the last order. By last order, petitioner was given 3 weeks' time as last opportunity to file reply.
Okay, so that means it
Without consent.
cannot be settled.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay. Heard learned counsel, Mr. I. Jamir, who appears for respondent number 4 and 5, and submits that this matter cannot be settled in the mediation. Stop. The petitioner was allowed, was given some time to file a reply to the affidavit of the respondents. However, the same has not been filed till date. Accordingly, the petitioner is given another, how much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
Another 3 weeks' time.
Because by last order, that is 31 January, 30 January, they were given 3 weeks as last
3
opportunity.
weeks. Yes, what happened then? You take 2 weeks' time, okay?
Lordship.
Given 2 weeks' time to file their affidavit and reply to the affidavit of the respondents. So, yes, after
Obliged.
2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, there is an interim.
No, the
Item
interim-
21.
Okay. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 2.
Item 2.
Lordship, here the leading counsel is is having some personal difficulties today. It's a consensus prayer, so kindly let this matter be fixed on 26th February.
You are
26th
praying on whose behalf? Petitioner?
For the respondent, Lordship.
Respondent? Okay. Learned counsel, Ms. Such and such makes a mention on behalf of the leading counsel. Which counsel?
Vivek.
His name is not here. You're mentioning item 2, isn't it?
Lordship.
So Mua Jamir is there, why Jemu is there?
Lordship, his name is there in the Wakalatnama. It's not reflected in the
Okay, the
counsel.
leading counsel, Mr. Such and such, you just give the name then, okay? Who has some difficulties today, and accordingly prays for listing the matter on 26/2/2026, list accordingly. Yes.
Lordship, there's interim.
Yes, yes, learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Tai Krill, is also present, who has no objections. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, my Lord, I beg to mention item number 29 on behalf of Mosam Sir Longkomer, my Lord. He is in bereavement, my Lord. So list the matter after 2 weeks, my Lord.
For mediation or not for mediation?
Lordship, not for mediation, because even here, I'm seeking appointment on land ownership, as well as I'm challenging the appointment
Private
of
respondent.
private respondent number 6.
The learned counsel for the parties submit that the matter is not, this matter is not fit. No, this matter cannot be settled in the mediation process. And accordingly, prays for listing the matter before the court. So the learned government advocate, Mr. Thipa Pom, submits that counter not filed.
Not filed.
That
3 weeks'
the-
time may be granted.
That the affidavit in opposition has not been filed, and Mr. M. Longkomer, government advocate, is appearing in this matter, who is in bereavement. So accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks in order to enable the government to file the affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19 on behalf of my senior counsel for private respondent number 6. Lordship, kindly grant us 1 week time to seek instruction.
Where is the other side? Okay.
Lordship.
You also get instruction as to whether it can be settled.
Lordship.
Learned counsel, Ms. Sachu makes a mention to list the matter on behalf of the leading counsel, Ms. Nityo.
Yes,
Ms. Nityo Koza, to list the matter after 1 week in order to enable the council to get instructions as to whether this matter can be settled in mediation. So the prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Such and such. Stop list after 1 week. Yes.
Much obliged.
This, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, 23, 24, Your Lordship. As a counsel for the petitioner.
22, 23, 24.
Your Lordship. In respect to mediation, Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions, so if 1 week time may be given to me.
What is the matter?
We're claiming rent and compensation. They have occupied our land,
Okay, okay.
Assam Rifles.
So can it be mediated?
Your Lordship, if
It
1
can be
week time
settled?
may be given, Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instructions.
May I please,
22,
Lordship,
23.
my lord, here I'm appearing for 5, 6, and 7, and my lord, I'm yet to receive instruction.
No, but who will give the compensation? The central government
Central
or
government,
the
central
state?
government, yes.
Then it's okay. You need not file. Learned counsel for the parties. Stop. The learned counsel, Mr. Chingyang Pom, appearing for the learned CGSC, submits that he would like to get instructions as to whether the matter can be settled in mediation. Stop. And therefore he prays for a week's time. So the learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Moy Jamil, is present and has no objection. Stop list after 1 week.
Obliged.
Same order, okay? 22, 23, 24. Yes.
With this Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 10. Item number 5. I'm on behalf of Sir M.T. Wapang. Your Lordship kindly allows 2 weeks' time to file our objection.
Item 5, no.
Item number 5.
These are all analogous matters. Item 5, 6.
5 and 6.
5
I'm
and
for
6.
the applicant.
Okay. Learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. Vikramjit Devnath, is present. Stop. Learned counsel, Ms. Such and such, appearing for Mr. M.T. Wapang for the respondents, prays for how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks' time to file an objection in IA Civil 54 of 2024. Stop. List after 2 weeks as prayed for.
Your Lordship, I have similar prayer in item number 10.
Item 10. Item 10, petitioner, appellant. None appears for the appellant when the matter is called. Learned counsel, Ms. Such and such, appearing for the respondents on behalf of Mr. M.T. Wapang, prays for 2 weeks' time to file objection in IA Civil 17 of 2025. So prayer is allowed to list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I beg to mention item 18. Lordship, kindly allow us 1 week of time to obtain the instruction.
Item 18. Oh, okay, again, the supply list. 2 weeks.
1 week.
1 week, okay. Learned counsel, Ms. Such and such, appearing for the petitioner. Who prays for 1 week time to receive instruction from the client as to whether the matter can be settled in mediation. So prayer is not objected to by their counsel for the other side. So please after 1 week. Yes, yes. You also obtain instruction, necessary instruction. The learned government advocate shall also, Ms. Pichano Kitan shall also receive instructions regarding the same. Yes, list after 1 week.
Item number 7.
Item 7, oh, okay. Notices complete.
Lordship, in fact, on 18/9/2025, the learned counsel for the respondent has entered appearance.
Okay.
If my lordship kindly go.
Oh, objection also filed, na?
Objection not
16.
yet filed.
Okay, okay.
They were supposed to file.
Okay. Vakalat nama also not filed. Order dated?
Order dated 18/9/2025.
Learned government advocate Mr. V. Zimomi is present for the petitioner. Stop. On 18/9/2025, Mr. Alamuapang had entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent and prayed for 3 weeks' time to file the Vakalatnama and objections, if any. Stop. However, when the matter is called, none appears for the respondent. Stop. Office note dated 16/10/2025 indicates that the Vakalatnama has not been filed and the objection has also not been filed on behalf of the sole respondent. So, list the matter again after 2 weeks. Yes.
Apply. For admission, item number 20.
Yes. Can we refer this case?
I have to seek instruction of the petitioner whether they prefer to go for mediation. But state have not submitted their verification report.
Okay, land ownership.
I'm seeking appointment on land ownership.
Can we refer it for mediation?
Lordship, let me get some
If,
instruction.
if the government is admitting that he is a landowner and that he is eligible, then we can settle it, isn't it?
Lordship, since I'm appearing on behalf of my colleague, Lordship.
Okay, but you get the instruction then by the next date.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Pakrin Chapo, is present, who submits that he is willing to refer the case for mediation. Stop. However, learned government advocate, Ms. S. Chang, submits that that she is yet to get instructions and that the matter is being dealt with by her colleague who
M. Nangkumar.
Mr. M. Longkamar, who is in bereavement. So accordingly, list the matter after 1 week will do.
Yes, Lordship.
After 1 week, in order to enable the government advocate to receive instructions as to whether the matter can be settled through mediation. So list after 1 week.
Yes, Lordship.
For admission, item number 26.
26 and 27 are analogous lot.
27, yes. What is the subject matter?
Lordship, it's about pending bills, my lord.
Then pending bills can be settled
Yes.
if it is an admitted liability. You get the instructions?
Yes, kindly allow some time to get the necessary instruction and then
1 week, 2 weeks?
my lordship, if 3 weeks, because the department alone cannot take a call. That's to be sent to the government, your lordship. Amount is little.
No, if it is an admitted amount, admitted liability.
Yes.
Then, even during the mediation, you can come to an agreement that
Correct.
within such and such time it will be
Correct.
paid.
Correct.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Moy Jammeh, is present. Also heard Mr. N. Angami, learned senior government advocate for the state respondent, who seeks for some time to receive instruction as to whether the matter can be settled through the mediation process. Stop accordingly, list the matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 9.
Yes,
May I please, your lordship? I'm appearing for this respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Now, lordship, before I make my affidavit in counter affidavit, I would like to have a short submission on the petition which the petitioner have filed. Now,
This is a contempt petition,
yes, yes.
so we only have to see whether it's complied or not, the
of course,
direction of the court.
But
That's
I
all.
just like to apprise before the Supreme Court that the cause title, that more particularly, Lordship, I'll take to the attention of the Honorable Court, cause title, the respondent, that is 3 and 4 in the amended their petition. They have given that Srimati M. Mongnang Koyak, Additional Director, HOD. Now, actually, this Mongnang Koyak is Director. So, additional Director, HOD, if it can be rectified, amended. And then the second, that the fourth, respondent 4, the block development officer.
This is wrong, because they have to put the name by name. Because
Yes.
block development officer, they can
Yes.
come and go.
Yes.
Okay, but the name has to be there.
Yes.
The officer who has committed the contempt.
So,
You have to amend the cause title, it appears. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
See.
It has to be by name.
But
as
it
far as
has to be
contempt
by
is
name.
concerned. Yes.
4 has to be by name, and 3 also the designation is wrong.
yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Such and Such present. Mr. S. Damjan appears for respondent number 2, 3, and 4, and Mr. N. Angami for respondent number
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Stop. At this stage, the learned counsels appearing for the respondents have submitted that the designation of respondent number 3 is director and not additional director, Department of Rural Development, Nagaland, and that the respondent number 4 has been impleted by designation and not by name, which has to be amended. So, the learned counsel for the petitioner therefore prays for some time to file an IA for amendment of the cause title. So, this after 3 weeks. You file an IA?
Obliged.
For orders, item number 11.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List after 2 weeks.
For orders, item number 12.
May I please, Your Lordship? This IA is for impletement of respondent number 4 and 5.
The present application has been filed praying for impletement of Shri Shashank Pratap Singh IAS as respondent number 4 and Shri Razu Sevi RAZ. You just check out on the cause title. We say as respondent number 5 in the connected COP Civil 31 of 2022. So, heard learned counsel for the petitioner, Ms. Such and Such, as well as Mr. N. Angami for the respondent's number.
Lordship, I'm representing V. Shokre, Lordship.
Oh, okay.
She is for the other respondent.
Okay. Okay, we don't say anything about that, just heard learned counsel, such and such. Stop. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that during the pendency of the civil original contempt petition number 31 of 2022, the respondent number 2 and 3, isn't it, who were transferred out? Respondent number 3 has been transferred out, and respondent number 2 has been transferred out, and respondent number 3 has retired from service. Stop. And in their place, Sri Shashank Pratap Singh has taken over. Shashank Pratap Singh IAS has taken charge as the new Principal Director, Department of School Education, Nagaland, and Sri Razu Seyi Vise has taken over as the new Director of School Education Department. Stop. And by this court's order dated 25/11/2025, the petitioners were allowed to take steps to implement the new incumbents. So it is therefore prayed that the new incumbents, Sri Shashank Pratap Singh IAS, may be implemented as respondent number 4, and Sri Razu C. Vise may be implemented as respondent number 5 in the civil original contempt petition number 31 of 2022, which is pending disposal before this court. The court has considered the prayer and the petition is allowed. The petitioner slash applicant shall file an amended cause title showing the name of Sri Shashank Pratap Singh IAS as respondent 4 and Sri Razu Se Vise as respondent number 5 in the civil original contempt petition number 31 of 2022, and thereafter takes steps for notice on the newly implemented respondents by inland speed document as well as usual process within 3 working days. So, and in the main case, you say list the matter after 3 weeks. That's all.
Good morning. Good morning. Bye.
그래, 그래, 씨. 고마워.